Welcome! This is an introduction to the Magento plugins. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Magento shop to your Emarsys account, how to activate synchronization of the data you need for your automation, segmentation, and personalization at Emarsys, how to check and ensure good data quality. Before you start configuring the plugin, you need to download the newest plugin version from Packagist and install this to your Magento. Proceed as follows. When the extension is installed, build the connection to the plugin on your Magento. Log in to the Magento admin and then go to Stores, Configuration. After expanding the Emarsys panel on the left-hand side, click Connect and copy the Connect token shown in the text area to your clipboard. Paste the token in your Emarsys account under Add-ons, Magento. Click Fetch Sites and select the website of Magento 2 store. Then click Connect and continue to the next step. One Magento website can contain more stores and store views. The Magento plugin synchronizes the data from all chosen stores to one Emarsys account. In our sample case, we only work with one store. Now that Magento is connected to your Emarsys account, let's continue with the check and set up synchronization for contacts, events, products, orders, and web behavior. The plugin synchronizes all the data needed for your automation, segmentation, personalization, and can support omnichannel approach via email, CRM ads, web channel, SMS. First, enable the contact synchronization, which imports customers and newsletter subscribers from Magento. As you can see, all the system fields are pre-mapped, and you can even map further custom fields. Custom fields are typically used for synchronizing preferences of the customer, such as favorite sport or brand, which you can use for better personalization. If you also want to use SMS as a channel, you need to map the mobile phone number in international format to the corresponding Emarsys field. The mapping can be adjusted anytime. Please note that mapping changes trigger the complete synchronization of the whole contact database, all customers. Note that except for opt-in, data is transferred only one way, from Magento to Emarsys. To trigger and personalize transactional messages, you can transfer Magento standard events to Emarsys external events. Please note that activation of events will automatically disable the transactional messaging on Magento to avoid duplication. Make sure that you create the messages and automation in Emarsys before activation. The next synchronization is products, which transfers the standard product data. This is used for identification of web behavior, which products are viewed, abandoned, or purchased. Creation of product recommendations via widgets connecting to Smart Insight to identify best-selling products and category. The plugin synchronizes all the mandatory fields, such as item, product name, price, availability, but you can also enable custom fields. You can enable synchronization of orders, which are transferred to Smart Insight. If you don't have Smart Insight enabled, don't activate this function. The last but not least component is Web Extend. With only one click, you can inject the complete web behavior JavaScript to your web shop in order to track behavior of your consumers and get the standard predict data fields filled. Update the data in the recommendation engine for personalized recommendations. Have the key component for web channel, which is based on Web Extend header. If your web shop isn't part of the standard Magento frontend, Web Extend must be integrated manually, for example with Google Tag Manager. This process is well documented on our help portal. To conclude the plugin integration, let's also speak about synchronization frequency. Emarsys maintains two components in real time: contacts, such as opt-in update, new mobile phone number, new address, and events, new order. A change in your Magento web shop means an immediate change in Emarsys. Orders are also fetched live, but the synchronization to Smart Insight is on a daily basis. Products are fetched hourly. Emarsys always pulls a complete catalog. You can request to change it to a daily or weekly basis. Congratulations! You have successfully activated the Magento plugin and connected it to your Emarsys account. To double-check the data quality, have a look at the Health Check tab. The Health Check shows you the last synchronization time and status for contacts, orders, events, and products, and indicated warnings, such as wrong settings on the product or errors. For instance, the connection to your Magento was unavailable. And this is how you can set Magento plugins for your Marsis. I hope you enjoyed this session, and thank you for your attention.